Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, you are at the right place. Definitely you're at the Auja mistake. It's here, you're at the right place. And if you're our returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to show us the love by supporting our content through viewing, watching our content, liking, subscribing, commenting, sharing on your Insta stories. Thank you so much to everyone who supports us. So today, this is another vlog, and actually this day is you'll see me in the same outfit later in the vlog, because I was just editing and I realized that I did not do an intro, so I'm here to do the intro, but you'll see me later.
I was such a hopeless fool. I just kept making the same mistakes, yeah. That was until I found you. You became the middle way between getting no love and getting way too much. I pray that you're the one who cares for me, cares enough to keep me safe. Just like the sun, you showed me which way I should go, yeah. Just like the wind, you pulled me up when I was low, oh yeah. This time my hopes are up, 'cause you got my heart in your hand. And do what you want, what you want, what you want with it, but don't give it back. You stole my heart from me, but it don't mean that you're a thief. You saved me from myself, 'cause I used to give it out for free. I hope you can keep it safe, keep it locked away, throw away the key. You stole my heart from me, 'cause it can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me. Habits can be hard to kill, but with you it can't be done. I don't wanna chase a thrill, no. I just wanna overcome. Feeling like I'm lost at sea when I'm getting no love, but getting way too much. You see, you're the one I really need. Need you to be here for me. Just like the sun, you showed me which way I should go, yeah. Just like the wind, you pulled me up when I was low, oh yeah. This time my hopes are up, you got my heart in your hand.
18.
Do what you want, what you want, what you want with it, but don't give it back. You stole my heart from me, but it don't mean that you're a thief. You saved me from myself,
Hey, group discussion.
These chocolates are not local chocolates. Let me give you a disclaimer. Whoever is gonna write for me anything Cadbury's baby milk there, you're getting a zero.
Can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter.
I'm not pregnant, I'm the sister.
Maybe it tastes different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
I'm not the mom, but I'm the cousin.
Your ego, your ego.
I'm not the mama, but I'm
Your
her friend.
undenying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble act.
I'm not the man, I'm the man's friend.
I guess it never hit you. Conversation takes
This is really.
something faces, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful.
Hey guys, remember mimi ni wa timu gani?
Allan must be.
Kwanza hii game ni ya gani na gani? Tunaenda kuwatch football and I don't know ni which teams zinacheza. So funny. Ni gani zinacheza love?
Spain and England.
Spain na England. Kwani sio zile za Manchester nini?
Euro.
Euro UEFA.
Yeah.
Spain and England. So nichague moja kati hizo.
Mimi ni wa England, wewe ni wa Spain.
Mimi ni wa Spain. Sawa, tutawashinda. Hata sijui any footballer, but I'm
For sure.
hopeful.
For sure.
Båda spöken, ingen enkel game. Jag i alla fall försöker ge en chans. Stora känslor väller ur när du säger att du vill testa. Stora känslor gånger i men när du säger att du vill ge mig en chans. Jag kan vara som helst för att hitta varandra.
I'm getting ready. Today is on Monday, and this vlog I wanted to be up tomorrow on Tuesday. Today I didn't have any appointments, so I decided that I would really want to go for Bishop Allan Kiuna's memorial service, which is happening today. It's so unfortunate that Bishop had to go and be with the Lord. I don't know, but I'm feeling like, kwani, is it real? Is it not real? And then I've never, like, I didn't manage to go to any of the service. I really wanted to go for the services that were being held at JCC. So I didn't manage, but then, see, I said it's better, at least I go for one. So today I went to go for the memorial service. It's in Fem, in Karen. Yeah, so I'm just getting ready for that. I'm meeting up with my cousin. We go together, and I think she's going to come with her mom, but I'm meeting up with my cousin. We go together. Stacy, yeah. Personally, I've been a beneficiary of Bishop Allan Kiuna's ministry. It has really benefited me in so many ways. I don't know, I'm still not yet. I still haven't done my hair yet. But I don't have a wig, and I don't know why today I'm not feeling this wig. I don't know why. Should I wear this or another wig? I don't know why. Today I'm just not feeling. I think I'll have to go and do my hair. Probably this week. Because siwezi kaa hivi every day. Nasikia nachoka. I will not be putting makeup leo. So this is another wig that I have. Though this one is very, very long. So hii inanisumbuanga kumanage. Kwanza saa yenye haijakuwa flat ironed. It's really not it. Sasa mnajua, I'm using my phone as a mirror and I need like a physical mirror. So I'll turn back here to fix my hair. Then I show you. I don't know if I should wear this hair. It's not flat ironed, it's not done anything, just like that. Yeah, I don't know which one is giving, this one or the other one. This one looks good, but it's so hard to manage. The other curly one is a bit flexible. Yeah, so let me see. Let me look at myself in the mirror, then I decide. Guys, I'm back to this curly wig. The long one is so hard for me to manage all through the day, and it's 9 a.m. and I don't know what time I'll come back home. I might be home maybe in the evening, so it will be so uncomfortable for me to stay with it the whole day. Yeah, so let me just go with comfort over everything, eh? Yeah, I really love this. I love it. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I'm fine. I'll not even hold it back like this. Yeah, this is my scent of the day. It's Sublime by Latafa. My god, this smells so nice. I think I'm good to go. I don't know why my cousin is taking so long to call me. I told them to let me know once they're at least nearer, because I live near where we are going, so that we couple together to the venue.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move.
December 1966 in Pumwani Maternity Hospital. I'm told they used to call it Form 1. Kikuyus could not say Pumwani, so they say Form 1. So he was born in Form 1 in Nairobi. He was the firstborn child of the late Joseph Wairi of Kamoshere, Githongori Division, Kiambu District, and Lydian Wanjiko from Chorogi Village, Chorogi Sublocation in Nyeri District. He was brother to Esther Wamboi and William Magwa. Bishop's childhood journey was not an easy one. He grew up in the rough neighborhoods of Jericho, Maringo, and Kariobangi, where illicit brews, drugs, and violence were the norm. He had to learn to take responsibility at a very young age, even taking up boxing to defend himself and his family, especially his beautiful sister Wamboi. However, in spite of all the difficulties he experienced, Bishop did not allow his background to limit or destroy his destiny. Bishop Allan Kiuna joined nursery school in Lumumba Social Hall in 1972 and continued his studies in both Khalsa Primary and Uru Estate Primary School in 1970.
American emotions. It is such an honor. To the First and Second Lady, you've been here for us. Thank you so much for honoring Dad as Bishop Allan Kiuna as a person.
I don't know how to do life without this man. Mama, I need God, I need His angels, I need the Holy Ghost, I need all the host of heaven to just help me walk this journey because it's hard. It's tough, Mom. But God,